Hi there folks, welcome to Triumph Glasgow. We're in our used bike floor here and we're focusing on this KTM 990 Superduke. It's gorgeous in that black colour with double Brembo discs on the front. There's adjustable levers, they're an extra. This bike has an 850mm seat height, so you can get, we short people like me, we can get our feet down. Comes with a Vince SBK exhaust there. There's cast black maraschino wheels. And this bike has a secondary air injection removal kit as well as an open air box. It's done just over 12,500 miles. So visit triumphglasgow.co.uk.